People in wheelchairs or who have difficulty bending or lifting their legs often use a transfer bench to get in and out of the bathtub safely. Most transfer benches require that the user sit on the outside section and then manually scoot over to the inside of the tub. Drive Medical's folding universal sliding transfer bench offers a unique, innovative solution for users up to 300 pounds by turning the scooting into sliding. This makes the transfer process easier and safer for both the user and the caregiver. A built-in seatbelt provides additional safety and security, as do the seat drainage holes that prevent slipping. In addition, the height-adjustable angled legs come equipped with suction tips on the bottom to ensure stability. Some additional features include a contoured seat back for comfort, and reversible legs and handle to fit in any bathroom, and all materials are easy to clean. A soap dish on the side offers convenience, and this mesh net between the gliding bars keeps items from falling to the bottom of the tub so users don't have to bend over or reach to pick them up. Safety locks prevent folding when the chair is in use, and when not in use, the bench folds for easy, convenient storage. When using the transfer bench, many users find it beneficial to add a shower sprayer, and for additional bath safety, consider adding a bath mat and grab bar. You can always count on Drive Medical to bring you convenient and innovative lifestyle solutions, now and for the road ahead.